beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. We're going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box for February. I know I said this last month because I was obsessed with last month's colour. This month's colour just so happens to be like a gorgeous orangey colour, and I've literally just done a full look on this. It's just perfect timing. If you are new here, by the way, Lookfantastic send me this box. I have been for the past maybe 2 or 3 months now for me to review and basically unbox on my channel. So thank you so much to Lookfantastic for sending it across to me. And if you are new as well, hello. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and please like this video as well. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on as well because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays as well. Let's just get straight into it. So this box, you can get it as a ongoing month subscription. You can get it as a 3-month one, a 5-month one, a 12-month one. Actually, I think it might be 6-month one and 12-month one. And each month has £50, at least £50 worth of products inside, and the box can start as little as £13 a month. So let's get into the February one because I know I got this one super early, so I want to get straight into it for you. If you are wondering anything at all about this makeup look, I've literally just posted it on my Instagram as a little collab with my Patreons. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, I'll leave the link down below and a video kind of explaining it all because I don't want to go into it and blab your head off in today's video. But if you do want to join my exclusive community, I'll leave all the information down below anyways. But we have done, this month we're doing a Disney collab theme. So I picked Lion King. So this is my Lion King inspired makeup look. So if you want to know anything about what products I've got on, then head over to my Instagram, again link down below, and you can see exactly what products I've used. So in this month's box, this is, there you go, this is what it looks like. The first thing that stood out to me was this. So this is from Magnetone. This is their Wipe Out Swipes eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. So it removes your makeup basically with just using water. I've literally just bought some ones from Elf. Oh my god, these are so super soft. Oh, okay, they feel really nice. So definitely want to try them out and see what they're like. Especially because you literally just use some water and then that's it. I would recommend obviously going in with still like a double cleanse system and stuff as well, but I think bargain. And I really enjoy when I do a double cleanse, I don't use like the muslin cloths or anything like that. I always use like a sponge, but the reason I got like Elf ones is so I could start using products like this instead of a sponge. So yeah, that'll come well and truly in handy, trust me. Another super exciting one, this is from the brand Illamasqua. I love when there's makeup in these subscription boxes because that's my jam. And this is basically a Beyond veil. So when I first saw this in the box, I thought it was going to be the Hydra veil, and I thought, oh, that's really good. I've got one in my drawers, so I've got a little backup and stuff, but actually this is different. This is called the Beyond veil. So it's basically, I'm just reading a little booklet that comes with it. It's basically a combination of Illamasqua's hero products, so it's the Hydra veil primer and the Beyond powder mixed together. So it's a hydrating and illuminating primer all in one. Obviously it's meant to go on underneath your makeup to help it last all day, but it says it also provides a luminous natural looking glow as well. It's got vitamin C, fruit extracts in it as well, so it just says to take out a small scoop all over the face until it's fully absorbed. I can spit my words out. So let me know if you want to do like a full video testing this, because the fact that it's a hydrating primer and a powder formula mixed together to make a like ultimate primer sounds very exciting, so super excited to try that. And then we also have one from a brand that I know quite well actually because I've worked with them last month. Was it last month? Yeah, I'm sure it was January. No, I'm sure it was, what month are we in? I'm sure it was December that I worked with them. But this is Bubble Tea. So this is their Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. Any kind of hand creams and stuff that I get in any of my subscription boxes, or if I buy something and it comes with a hand cream, I am not somebody who uses hand cream. I probably should, but I just don't. I'm too lazy. I don't like the feel of it on my hands, all that kind of shebang. So I actually give this to kind of nurses and stuff. So when I worked at the drug service, not last year, the year before, I had loads of hand creams. I seemed to just get like a massive collection of them. So I was taking them in and giving them to the nurses that I worked alongside with. And my friend is a midwife, so obviously she's working in hospital, so she's washing her hands a lot. So randomly, like I think it was like last week or a and a half ago, I said to her, do you use hand cream? Like, do you need some just in case I start getting some in? And she was like, oh yeah, definitely. So I'm going to give this to my friend Laura, because obviously she's a midwife, everything that's going on in the world. She'll definitely get her use out of this more than what I will. I've literally had a Soap and Glory one in this drawer right here in the hopes that I would use it, and I think I've used it twice. And I just know I'm not going to get you through it. So for this, absolutely perfect. If you are somebody who gets these subscription boxes and you are not getting your use out of these, please donate them to somebody else, especially somebody who is using a lot of hand sanitizer, washing their hands a lot because of their work and stuff as well, and obviously what's going on at the moment. But I really recommend passing it on. So Laura, if you're watching this, then that's for you, baby girl. Then we have 3 more products in here. So the next one, which I'm not gonna lie, I saw this and I was absolutely buzzing. This is the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. I am not one for skincare, you know this. Like I don't mind it, I like skincare, but it's not something I would watch like loads of videos on and get really excited for and really want to like buy it and stuff. Unless somebody was really raving about it, it's just not really something that I like gravitate towards. However, Elemis seems to be a skincare brand that has really impressed me. I tried the plumping facial and pillow facial last year and it ended up being in my 2020 favourites, and I am brutal in them videos. So I know that Elemis is a really good brand and a really good one to get in these boxes because it gives you a chance to actually try them. So this is just what it looks like. So it just says, yeah, enzyme peel. It's a cream exfoliator, which I'm really excited for. So it says it's non-abrasive. The fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalised and radiant as well. So basically just apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water, and then bish bash bosh. You should be like a baby's bum. Happy days. It doesn't say that on the packaging. Imagine you should be like a baby's bum by the end of it. But anyways, next one is from the brand Balance Me, which I find is one that comes up quite often in kind of subscription boxes. This is the AHA Glow Mask. It says it's a triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. So basically put it all over your face, leave it on for up to 15 minutes and then remove again with warm water. And this is just what she looks like. I'm sorry if it's a bit washed out and kind of getting used to this little new YouTube setup that I've got, so I do apologise. And then the last one is a super little one. Look at her. She's so cute. This is the iCore Galactic Lid Gloss. So it's a cream eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Zodiac. You could either get this one or the shade Stardust, which is the more silver one. I would probably be more likely to use the brown one, to be fair, than the silver one. But it says it's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess-free and quick to apply. Oh, that's good. It says the Zodiac one, which is one that obviously I got, is the warm, rosy copper kind of shade. And then obviously the Stardust is the more kind of like shimmering silver one. So like I said, with this box you can get an ongoing subscription where you can just cancel whatever you want, or you can book for the like 3-month, 6-month, 12-month one where the box is then a little bit cheaper as well. So it can start as little as £13 for the box, and literally £13 for all that is unbelievable. Like you have Illamasqua, you have Elemis, you have like makeup in there, and you've got Magnetone. Magnetone is a really expensive brand as well. So yeah, super happy. This I'm really excited to try, and this and these. So yeah, thank you so much to Lookfantastic for sending me that across as well. Absolutely love it. And again, thank you so much to my Patreons for being just absolutely lovely. I'm so happy to be doing this kind of Disney collab with you, and I'm absolutely buzzing with how my little Lion King look turned out. I did try to do some little paw prints, but it just didn't go well, so I've just left it. But if you want any details on this makeup look, or if you want to join my Patreon community, I will leave it linked down below. We're going to be doing a like themed collab every single month. We've kind of got them planned out for the next year, but we do keep kind of switching ones around and stuff. So we've got loads coming. We've got like Marvel and Nintendo, we've got like Festival, also we've got Harry Potter. Like we've got so many cool themes coming. So if you want to get involved, please join my Patreon. We're literally like one person away from 40 of us now, which is crazy. But anyways, yeah, love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Love you. Peace out. Peace out, motherfucker.